I'm just gonna jump right into it.
Go for it.
So Ben, the owner of Overkill, we're here at Summernats, and this is definitely the most overkill car I've seen
Overdone,
so
yeah.
far.
Yeah.
It reminds me a lot of, have you seen the Blown Mafia guy over the
Yes.
States?
Yep.
A lot like
It's got
that.
a few different cars, different combos. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's good to think outside the box though.
I hate asking this sometimes because sometimes I should know, but we don't have these cars in the States. So what are we looking at? What kind of
It's a
cars?
Ford Cortina, TD 76 model.
76?
Yep. It's basically a 393 Cleveland. Grout filled. We've tried to keep it under the 800 mark because it's still a 2-bolt bottom main at the moment.
Yeah.
Runs a 671 with 2 GT45 turbos.
Well, all right. No lack of turbo there.
No lack of turbo. We've only got it set on 9 PSI, and we've capped it at 5,800 revs just to try and keep the power down.
Nice and rich too, I'm sure.
Yeah.
More of a cruiser than anything, I'm guessing.
No, I actually built it for the burnout, so
Perfect.
Down low it's not the best. They're trying to fight each other, but as soon as the turbos get up on boost, it's liking it more up in the higher revs.
Yeah, you're only in the low RPMs for like a half second during a skid,
Hopefully,
right?
yeah. Yep. But so down the track we'll change it. We're probably going to go a smaller turbo on it to try and spool it up quicker to match him with the blower.
Yep.
Because they're at the moment, like I said, they're trying to fight each other. So there's a few more modifications to go, and maybe EFI.
Nice. There's a blow through right now.
Yeah. So
you don't need a lot of horsepower to spin the tires.
exactly right. It's just built to do skids. So it's hopefully it does the job.
You get a pile of style points just for having all that sticking out there anyway, right?
Well, basically I call it the wank factor. I wanted to get out there, wanted the name out there for Red Park down at Coffs Harbour. So I thought, what's the best advertisement out there is to go silly with the car.
Exactly.
Get everyone talking about it. So
every time I walk past, there's 8 people taking a photo of it.
So been a crowd pleaser for sure. So as long as it stays happy on the burnouts tomorrow, but yeah, most of the car, I bought it as a roller, but the rest of the car was all built at home in the shed.
Really?
All home built.
I like that.
Yeah. But the main reason I built this, a couple of beers, talking shit, of course, and my mate said, never work. And okay, we'll see how that goes.
I love to hear that.
Yeah, exactly.
Those are the best projects.
Yeah.
No one else does it, right?
Yeah. So, we proved that it will run, but yeah, we'll see how we go. A bit more fine tuning and get it back out in the pad after tomorrow.
Well, thanks for letting us check out the car.
Too easy. Hopefully see you out there tomorrow.
Good luck skidding.
Thank you.
So is this your first skid of the event?
Very first skid. I've only ever skidded once and it only lasted 14 seconds.
Really?
So this is the first proper skid.
This is your time. It's going to be badass.
I'm shitting myself.
You'll be good, man. You'll be good. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah.
This is the only car I wanted to see today.
Yeah.
We just got here 30 seconds ago, so it's perfect.
Yep, let's hope it holds together and then we can go do some hot laps.
This. Oh, hell yeah. Let's do it. Good luck, man.
Thank you.
Well, it's definitely cool while it lasted. It sounds like it had a mechanical issue. It stopped him from completing the skid, but damn.
Yeah, I think he popped something. I don't know. Popped a boost pipe or something.
and it come out the wastegate, whatever it was.
Something came out?
Yeah, just something which went poof out this side, and then it just lost power.
Better out of you check the rocker gear and that.
Yeah.
You want to idle back and I'll follow, so if you get stuck I'll tow.
Yeah. Hope it's rocker or something.
Hey, it was longer than 14 seconds.
Yeah, I'm getting better.
Progress.
I'm getting better. It's back to the drawing board, I think.
It looks really good.
Yeah, so now just the teething and
Yep.
bring it back.
Oh yeah.
Probably brushing that's the next one, I'd say.
Perfect. You have fun?
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
It looked like a blast.
Yeah. Just
Smoke pouring out and a bunch of fucking boost out the windshield.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, so we'll go back and see if it's just a rocker or something, and
Yeah.
hopefully if it can be fixed, we'll keep cruising.
Definitely. Cool.
All right.
Good luck, man.